He did it again today, in front of the whole team. If I go to HR, I lose my job. I don't even know who I'm supposed to go to. Listen, there's an app. You just tell it what happened, it tells you the law and exactly where to go. My manager keeps harassing me at the office.
Hello everyone, I am Inshal Amir and I'll be presenting to you this app Haqnama. It's a legal guide for Pakistani citizen. You describe your problem in plain words, spoken or typed, in Urdu or English, and it tells you which laws protect you and exactly which office to go to. So first of all, I'll explain you which type of data I'm using. So I'm using the laws arranged into type of databases. First of all, the graph database for relational structures, and then I'm using the vector store, in-memory vector store, which is used from FAISS vector store, which is a Facebook vector store, and I'm using that for catching semantic relations. And then moving to the architecture, I'm using the backend in Python, and then the backend is built using the UV commands. Then I have the front end, which is built using the Flutter, and it's made for both iOS and Android and web as well. It can also run in web. So for the database, I'm using Supabase, and you can see the migration files here. You just have to run it in the Supabase, or you can just run the command. And I have also provided all the commands in the readme file. You can use it to run the application in any kind of device. Here is the front end running. As you can see, the Flutter front end, it's actually loading here. Now if I go to the backend, here you can see the backend. So you can see the UVcorn backend is running as well on port 8000. So let us go now. Let me just sign in with the application. As you can see, this is your application, and you can also create a new account if you don't have one. So I already have an account. Let me just log in there. Okay, so now I'll try to log in. Okay, so I'm in my app. First of all, here we have our new chat. You can always open the new chat from here, this icon. Let me just increase it in size, and you can also see your chat histories from here. Okay, and you can also log out from your application here. So now let me just first type a command to test the app, and let's go with this one. I'll just write it here for quick writing and allow paste. Okay, so now let's go. So for the model, I am using the Gemma 4 31 billion parameter, which has a set of activated parameters and uses mixture of expert for accurate predictions. I'm using it on cloud because my system cannot support such large models. So I'm actually using the Open Router Cloud to use the Gemma 4 model. First, it tells us the location that we have to go to this specific location. So it says that we have to go to the local police station. It also mentioned Thana. So the police station in whose jurisdiction the offense took place. Okay, so report the offense and get an FIR registered under the CrPC. So it's telling the law in the correct form. So it says what the law actually says and where to go. We have to go there, and also it tells the step-by-step procedure, like what we should do and how we should do. And it also tells if they refuse to help, like if the police refuse to help, then what you can do. You can file a complaint against the police. So here we have two features. First of all is the voice input. For example, if someone cannot type in English, they can also type in Urdu, or they can just press this button like this, and they can record in Urdu as well. They can record in English. So okay, so now let me also just show you this image feature. We also have this image feature. You can upload an image from the library, or you can photograph a document as well. So basically I'm an emulator, so I cannot test this right now. So everything is mentioned in the readme file. When it will be uploaded to GitHub, it will be live publicly and open source, so anyone can use it and anyone can build the knowledge graph. All data is available publicly and approved also. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this app. Thank you.